Hi and welcome to this simple tutorial on how to post a link within a WordPress blog posting. So the first thing we do is we log into our WordPress blog, and having done that we can click on posts, add new, and then we would click on the visual editor here and put in a title. So this could be a demo post, and we put in some information about the link that we're interested in, or really this is up to you. So I could just, for instance, say I recently saw an interesting article on mortgages and interest rates. Now, it's a good idea to, I don't know what's going on there, that's a little bit of a problem, but anyway, it's going to increase the screen a moment just so that we can see that properly. Interest rates and mortgages and interest. Okay, that's fine. So when you're making a link, it's often a good idea to have what they call anchor text as being the words that connect to the link, rather than just copying the link itself. So let's just shrink the screen down again, and we'll go to the site where we found the interesting link. So what we need to do is somehow copy this. Now, if you just sort of click on that vague area to the right of the URL, and then press the shift key on your keyboard and keep it pressed down, and then move the arrow keys until the whole of it is highlighted. Then press Control C to copy it, or alternatively right click your mouse button and say copy. Doesn't really matter how you do this. You can also get it by clicking to the right of that link and then holding your mouse button down and dragging across, and then right clicking and pressing copy. So we've now got that URL, the http bertmorrison.com, in the buffer of the computer. So we'll go back to the post. What we now need to do is highlight the area that we want to use as the link text. So I'm going to do that by just clicking again to the end of it, and I'm just going to hold my shift key down and I'm just going to highlight those words. Could also do that by clicking to the right of it, keeping my mouse button pressed down and dragging the mouse across. Doesn't matter as long as it's highlighted. Having done that, we then click this little fella here, which is the insert edit link, and we've actually now copied the link into the buffer. So we can highlight, because we don't want to have two HTTPs. We've already got that in our link. So I'm just going to highlight that by clicking to the right of it, and again you can use the shift and the left arrow key, or you could just click to the right of it, hold the mouse button down and drag, then press delete, DEL, and then you press the right mouse button and press paste, and then we have the link. And if we click the add link, we'll now see that this area has been highlighted, and you'll see the same thing on the blog post when you ultimately publish it. So that's a very quick demonstration of how to add links to a blog post. I hope you found it useful.